too much GH. Many have come and many have gone, but you are a great Kankambuka ability, worth being beheld by every optical nerves. That saith the papacy.
Keep watching Too Much GH, and you'll get the best of entertainment, the best of everything you want.
My name is Ohima One. Keep watching Too Much GH. It's the best.
Keep watching Too Much GH.
Akwa Bashongo and Koma Ubibia Sampe Wajibre Sheme Ewotuma GH so Nanama Owuswa enemy day na a prayer associate training issues everything bia a file mayu ewono. Medebesomo ewo efide so na bisa for monka mo na yembo emra ensem emu. Yes, the sia day penny-4 at the report about pointe efa yevra ya that's ya my money nya former President J.J. Rawlings ne yo send the coroner wo mo actual statement at the abetijam they will from Bekaya na no ada 12th of November 2020 afi echemu na tebeto just said bamogo edna paka nkese akofa former President J.J. Rawlings amata say washrende nkwa ya ewo kolebu ayarisabia na ntebeto odwanu na akoyete nipa gidi na se ndi ni say former President J.J. Rawlings pa wetimi ato also that never dies ban saying and J.J. Rawlings wetimi ato esuni niemu no go bi echi na te say ebusiafo aja tuma de beta ponte sa na akọ amete say rebo enu osum kese edu o mai na ni niemu no nsema beba ye ne te say hihedi a wo mo edi kan ya busiafo anya ntuma te say won nsema e bebre na say sia deje minimo kasa to say penifo ya ban mu penifo ene ye na busiafo no o makwa tetena no ma ye hihefo for crab asabre wo mo de ehun nsem abetu dwan no eche that party a woman in the year send a becono any bia one way na ye no now according to a statement I buy share today that so me every reason your former president J.J. Rawlings one do not ever to pay mama to say you try no have really before 3 good days Accra International Conference Center na no ever share say from the 24th to 26th 2021 afiwe January posumi na meka wasem na ebiem so womo evia na tese womo agopeno amakopeno krabe no mu wie so a womo abetena se aye mass funeral service no womo eye wo Holy Spirit Cathedral no so ewo Accra no 26 and womo edebe shisha so from 9 a.m. to 11 a.m. at say within 2 hours womo sing konyana tese entutu bia de wechire bia no no so no womo ade asuda omo de ade atudam na biem so no burial service no so no womo ebeye on the 27th of January 2021 no ebeye Independence Square home and say ombeye burial services no won e so from womo statement womo de betu dia no mo mpre na me kenkan mo ense na say obi abetime enya enwo ente asem na say na ekoye wo say the Ministry of Foreign Affairs and Regional Integration of the Republic of Ghana presents its compliments to all diplomatic missions, international organizations, and honorary consulates accredited to the Republic of Ghana, and with reference to the foremost note verbal number PRCIR dated 16 December 2020, informing of the postponement of the funeral arrangement for the late Flight Lieutenant Jerry John Rawlings, former President of the Republic of Ghana, has the honors to inform of the new date for the funeral and burial rites of the late former President as follows. Lying in state from 24 to 26 January 2021 at the foyer of the Accra International Conference Center from 9 o'clock a.m. to 5 p.m. daily. Mass on 26 January 2021 from 9 a.m. to 11 a.m. at the Holy Spirit Cathedral, Accra, and the burial service on 27 January 2021 from 9 o'clock a.m. to 11 a.m. at the Independence Square, Accra. The Ministry of Foreign Affairs and regional integration of the Republic of Ghana avails itself of this opportunity to renew to all diplomatic missions, international organizations, and honorary consulates accredited to the Republic of the nation Ghana the assurance of its highest consideration. One more asset sign accept the Akoma and 24 one more Yam one more the Abba and yet your former president Rawlings ne ye no ase ebinu no say we penny wa kwa statement no penny yesterday ye nka ne sa ke nka ne tra anye hye to abote tra kwa ye tena sisi nkonya ye ntise de tutu nyama eye ansa na be ba bonte a e da ba bonte so na be ya ne yonkwa empenifo ne tese ni tipe empenifo wo mo eba wo metimi e de aka ye wo mo hye to ho wo mo bi so e de ba no na nam so ama ye tutu ye we ni hye di aba bonte a abeto dwa se na yes, you may eka edi achom no. Na usia form Ghana for no be enya boto ye promise se sa na ekwe ne dia na ye na wakoye former president statesman no na enya dia nke betimi edi te se da ba kwa na mienu bi epe asena se aye na yiyo da bi oyopeni so de o se fota ni die na ni die so de o de ma de se fota na no wenya so akeche ni nti se na ye benifo ahihye mo de beto abontu na te se ne kwan so no na na te se mo be so mu bebi a nke ba kosie no ewo na no na nko ye nkofo do na enyi asema na ko be so mo nte ewo statement no emu ebiba nya no emu no wo mo afa no won de awon fa metu da se be sie no ewo bia ye asundwe park ye former president Professor Atamos anase wo mo de be ko nukrom keta ho na tese we ko sin wo na baby foforo aso akoye military no ye military president ninti se mo bi ye military bia wo mo esie empenfo bi so mo ba ko sin wa eno de aban ene tese krata mu de wo ma fa antuda esa na so ni dia mu no de ara eda no edura shade bia baby o ma ko sin no so be ba bonte ma tese obia enya no ho enti aseniti ko si se sada no ebepa no na tese ebusiafo ye ni besi ani edi echire na tese from the 24th to 27th January de ebeba into 2 years and ebe ko ni bia no so ebetwa ho fo ni kakra de achire mo na mo so motimi ewu se na ye former president Rawlings no ni ye yo no esifa ekoye na ni niam no medi esi no make how se obetimi they will comment or didn't refer to 2 year before aye the abeto dwa your comment section na be able to share video way on all the social media platforms no follow ye our Instagram Twitter so @tumagh_, Facebook so @tumagh meeting edina na ama obusa na me ya aduma e be say edi shabiem makramo.